5 और 6 रैक लाइन ये यहाँ नसीम कॉलोनी हमारे दोस्त में नाम बोल रहा हूँ तो उससे बड़े थे उनकी बहुत बड़ी कोठी थी यहाँ में ना उसकी छत पर मेरे खेला करते
सर असल में वो हमारे यहाँ पर खाला भाभी खालू मामू सारे मतलब खेलते हैं मतलब इतना हम जो एंजॉयमेंट
सर इनका क्रिकेट है सर इनका फुटबॉल और इन सर का और इनके स्टूडेंट्स का न्यू आइडिया
नहीं मैं इस पे चीज लिखने चाहिए बड़े ना नहीं वाटे करके कितने बंदे को चीज
Quran,
The plants will be being watered.
वेरी गुड पौधों को पानी दिया जा रहा होगा वेरी गुड द प्लांट्स विल बी बीइंग वाटर वेरी गुड सही कुछ परेशान हो गई
student will be being observed.
कितने एक्सेल चलो ना डिस्कस्ड वेरी गुड माय फ्यूचर विल बी बीइंग डिस्कस्ड नाउ जी हां
स्टूडेंट विल बी बीइंग एनालाइज्ड
वेरी गुड बात क्लियर हो गई
यस सर
सो इजी नो
Yes,
मे मूव
sir.
फॉरवर्ड
You said that the rest will be being taken.
वेरी गुड रेस्ट किया जा रहा है वेरी गुड द स्लीप विल बी बीइंग एंजॉयड द साउंड स्लीप विल बी बीइंग हैड गहरी नींद जो है ना वो एंजॉय की जाएगी
ऑल फैमिली मेंबर विल बी स्लीप
all the members of the family will be sleeping वो मॉड्यूल 1 है will be sleeping हाँ
और साथ तस्लीम भाई नहीं है वरना पेरेंट्स विल बी
let's move forward now and मेरी सिर्फ आपसे गुजारिश है कि लेसन नंबर 4, 5 and 6 नोट कर लें 4, 5 and 6 इनके आप 5 पर जुमले बना के लाएंगे उसी की बेस पे 7, 8 और 9 लेसन है मैं छोटी सी मिसाल देता हूँ if you recall know your memories and you will come to know that in module 1 there was a series of lessons I am standing and then the question was for how long and since when I am standing I have been standing since 8 a.m. Clear? I have been standing for 1 hour. बात समझ आई ना जी? तो ये है जी कि क्या कि English is being taught for how long and since when? ये कल हम करेंगे। यानी 7, 8 and 9 is based on 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. तो ये 5 आप use
तो ये जो फॉर्मेट 6 है ये बना सकते हैं different sentences will be being prepared tomorrow.
Super, very good, beautiful. Again you can say no. Lesson number 7, 8 and 9 will be being discussed no tomorrow no at this time. Is 1, 3, okay. See, you ready?
Yes sir.
I am moving now to format number 10. Format number 10 is see. You ready? The question ये था कि what have you done so far? आपको याद होगा we carried out some activity that I wanted to. याद है कुछ? I wanted to learn English and I have learned it.
Yes.
I wanted to take a cup of tea and I have taken it. I wanted to deposit my fee and I have deposited it. याद है कुछ? I wanted to visit Islamabad and I have visited it. I wanted to note the main point of the lesson and I have noted it. याद है कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
अब आपने मुझे ये बताना है जी कि what did you want to do and what is its status? आप क्या करना चाहते थे और अब इसका status क्या है? For example, सिर्फ चेंज करना है ना ये हिस्सा, ये वाला हिस्सा ना, over here, ये होगा ना, ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
For example, I wanted to take a cup of tea. What? a cup of tea. I wanted to take a cup of tea. मैं चाय पीना चाहता था. And
It has been
it has been taken. I wanted to take shower and it has been taken. I wanted to offer prayers.
It has been
I wanted to recite the Holy Quran. I wanted now to teach now the next 4 formats.
They have been
Very good. And they have been.
taught.
बात के लिए बोली है. I wanted to help my mother.
And I have been helped.
It has been helped.
आप करीब हैं. आप बिल्कुल करीब हैं. छोटी सी
She
बात.
has been
Very good. And she has been
helped.
helped. मैं अपनी अम्मी की मदद करना चाहता था और अम्मी की मदद कर दी गई है. I wanted to talk to my father. And he has been talked to. I wanted to drive the car.
And it has been brought.
बात clear हुई? You ready?
Yes, sir.
जिंदगी के चांद दो होने तक स्टेटस के में 10 हो गया. I wanted to
settle my goals
settle my goal.
and it has been settled.
It has been settled. I wanted to achieve my target and it has been achieved. Clear? जी.
I wanted to learn format 4 to format 6
Okay.
and it have been learned
दे देगा.
and they have been
And
learned.
they have been learned. मैं फॉर्मेट 4 से 6 तक सीखना चाहता था. And they have been learned और इन्हें सीख लिया गया है. Clear? हाँ जी.
I wanted to learn English and it has been learned.
Very. It has been learned. ये इंग्लिश हो गया ना जी. अच्छा ये wanted को जरा छोड़ दे थोड़ी देर. आप फिर कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं. What's the time now? It's 9.
5 a.m.
It's 9:05. No, it means no. We have spent 1 hour and 5 minutes so far. Let me know what has been done till now. अब तक क्या किया जा चुका है during this class? बस नहीं है. इस क्लास में अब तक क्या किया जा चुका है? Points clear? जी.
I wanted to
नहीं. Simple कहना है. वो wanted to कब confuse वो हो रहे थे. What has been done? Father आप कह सकते हैं जी that the yesterday's lessons have been revised. कल वाले lesson revise कर लिए गए हैं जी. New ideas have been shared.
So new lessons,
Some new words have been learned. जी.
new lessons have been taught.
New lesson, some of the new lessons. सारे नहीं ये तो पढ़ाना है ना. Some of the new lessons, some of the new formats. नए फॉर्मेट्स में से कुछ बाकी भी सीख रहे हैं ना. Have been learned, have been taught, have been discussed. जी.
Islamic history has been taught.
Taught, very good. ये बात सही होगी जी.
National cricket team has been criticized.
Very good. Oh, dropping of text. Very good, beta. No, the national cricket team has been criticized. As far as their the dropping of catch is concerned. Their catching skill is concerned. No, very good, beta. जी.
The first 3 formats of model 2
Very good.
has been understood.
Have been understood. Very good. जी.
Formal discussion has been provided.